Dear friends, we are Western educators. Welcome to our channel. Those who did not subscribe the channel, please click the bell icon and subscribe. In this video, we are going to see degrees of comparison. You can see a picture here. In this picture, we have trees and elephants. See, if we are going to compare trees and elephants, what we should do? We can use any of the traits of elephant and the trees, elephants and trees. So what trait we are going to use, what quality we are going to use? So that quality we are going to take it as height. So using height we can compare the elephants and the trees here in this picture. So to mention the height we are going to use the word tall. If we are going to take this word tall to qualify the trees and the elephants in the picture, this word is called adjective. So we are going to use the adjective tall to qualify or modify the trees and elephants. What is adjective? Adjective is nothing but it is a word which qualifies or modifies a noun. So we are going to use tall to compare, to qualify or compare. Adjectives have three forms. They are positive, comparative and superlative. In this case, tall is positive, taller is comparative and tallest is superlative. So using this positive, comparative and superlative, we are going to tell the quality of the tree and elephant. In this picture, we are going to compare the elephants first. Let's take 1 as Ramu, 2 as Somu and 3 as Rani. So first we compare the elephants. Dear friends, you should remember that we are not transforming the sentences here. We are just telling the quality of the elephants using adjective tall. So let's take, there is no Ramu and Rani in this picture, only Somu is there. If only Somu is there, there is nothing to compare. So we are going to tell it is in positive degree using tall. That is, Somu is tall. That's it. In the same way, if Somu and Rani is there, if Ramu is not there, we can say Rani is taller using comparative. So positive degree using tall and comparative degree using taller. In the same way, now 3 of them are there. So if 3 of them are there, we are going to say only one is the tallest in this picture, so that Ramu is the tallest using superlative degree. To tell the quality of these 3, we use Somu is tall, Rani is taller, Ramu is the tallest using superlative. And to tell the quality of 3 of them, we use positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So when we are going to take Ramu as the subject of our talk, we are going to say no other elephant is as tall as Ramu. Telling the same idea, Ramu is the tallest. So if we are going to use it in comparative degree, Ramu is taller than any other elephant, telling the same idea. And Ramu is the tallest elephant, the same idea. Ramu is the tallest of all elephants, also the same idea. 4 sentences are having the same idea, but we use various degrees of comparison, that is positive, comparative and superlative. Previously we took elephant to compare. Now we take trees to compare. Let's label 1, 2 and 3 for the trees. And now we are going to take 1 to compare. If we take 1 to compare, we can see the same height. There are so many trees in the picture which is having the same height of number 1. So we are going to write like this, like very few trees are as tall as 1. It means that there are other trees also. So the same thing is going to be told in comparative degree, which is one is taller than many other trees. So many other trees also is having the same height, and 1 is also the same. So then the superlative degree, 1 is one of the tallest trees. So here we use one of the, which means that other trees are also there which is having the same quality. So which is we use tall, taller and tallest for to qualify. And if we are going to take number 2 for comparison, you can see there is no any other tree which is the which is tallest. So we are going to say it like this. For positive degree, we are going to say no other tree is as tall as 2. And for comparative, we are going to say 2 is taller than any other tree. And for superlative, we are going to say 2 is the tallest tree, which is there is no any other tree. And we can also say, in other words, in other form, 2 is the tallest of all trees. If we use of all, the following subject should be, the following noun should be in plural. That you should note. And what if we are going to take 3 and 1 for comparison? The positive will be, if we take 1 as subject, tree 1 is as tall as 3, which means tree 1 is taller. So we are going to say it in comparative like this. Tree 3 is not taller than tree 1. You can note it here, there is no superlative degree if we compare only 2 things. In this video, we come to know what is adjective and how are we going to use positive, comparative and superlative degree. And in the next video, we are going to see the transformation of sentences using positive, comparative and superlative degree. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel. And thank you from Western Educators. Thank you.